Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to install a Sensi Smart Thermostat. We've got a Sensi ST55 Smart Thermostat here, and it will allow you to control the thermostat, your heating and cooling, from your phone, and it also works with compatible voice assistants like Google Home, Siri, and Amazon Alexa. So let's get started installing this. The first thing that we need to do to install our Sensi Smart Thermostat is turn off the power to our existing HVAC system. So how you do that is go down to your HVAC system, and typically there's going to be a switch located on the side of it that looks like a light switch to turn it on or off. Sometimes there'll be a switch in the room that turns it on or off, but if you can't find that, go to your circuit breaker and turn off the circuit breaker and power to your HVAC system at the circuit breaker. Once you've got that done, test to make sure that the power is off by running your HVAC system at the thermostat, and if it no longer runs, the power should be off. Once you've got the power off, you're ready to remove your existing thermostat. So to remove your existing thermostat, typically you're going to find some tabs up on the top, maybe on the sides, or on the bottom of the device. And what you're going to need to do is sometimes insert a screwdriver or just pry it off. This particular thermostat we can pry off from the bottom, and that will get that cover plate off. So we just remove the cover plate there, and it exposes our wiring. Now, before you do anything else here, what I want you to do is take a really good picture of your existing wiring. And the reason that you're going to do that is because you use that picture to refer back to, or if you have any issues installing the thermostat, you can always go back to installing your old thermostat how it was. So what we've got here is a G wire. That is our fan wire. It'll turn on the fan. The next wire we have is our Y wire, and that is our call for cooling or air conditioning. The next wires we have is a jumper wire, but the jumper wire is not so important in this case. You just need to know which wire coming from your existing HVAC system goes to which terminal here. And we've got an RH or R wire, and that is our power wire from our heating and cooling system. Our system is a forced air furnace and an air conditioner, which is a very typical system in the Midwest. So we've got our power wire, which is the R wire. The next wire we have is our W1 wire or W wire, and that wire is our call for heat. So that'll turn the furnace on. Our white wire turns the furnace on. The red wire gives power to our HVAC system. The yellow wire turns our air conditioner on, and the G wire is the fan to circulate air. Now that we've got all those wires down, we're ready to remove the existing thermostat. So all I'm going to do is loosen this screw and remove the existing thermostat backer plate. We'll remove the wires from their terminals. We've got the wires removed, so let's remove the backer plate. Here's our new Sensi thermostat, the ST55 that we're going to install. In order to get this installed, what we need to do is take our backer plate, put all the wires through that center hole in the backer plate, and then we need to mount this up. You've got two holes right here for mounting this to the wall, but since I'm trying not to make any more holes in my wall, I'm just going to mount it with one screw right here. But this is a more temporary solution because I test out a lot of different smart thermostats. So I'm just going to mount this to the wall, but you've got two screw holes right here if you're going to do this in a permanent installation. Now we're ready to install the wires. So I'm going to refer back to that picture I took of my existing thermostat wiring and match it up with the terminals we have here. It doesn't matter what order you start in, but I'm going to start with my W wire, and that is our call for heat. So we're going to match it up to the W terminal right here, and then we're going to secure the wire. So I've got it in place, and now I'm going to take my screwdriver and tighten this up. The next wire I've got is my G wire or green wire, and that is our fan wire. We're going to insert it in the terminal, and then we'll tighten it up. Now we've got our yellow wire or wire wire. That is our air conditioning wire, and we'll insert it into the terminal and then tighten it up. Now we've got our red wire or R wire, so we're going to insert it into RH, and then we're going to secure it. Now we're ready to install the batteries in the back of the new Sensi thermostat. So these come with the device. We just install those and then we're ready to put the thermostat on the mounting bracket. Take the thermostat, align it with the mounting pegs, and then you're just going to push in place. Now we've got our thermostat installed and we're ready to turn the power back on at our circuit breaker or at our HVAC system, wherever we turn that power off. So I'm going to turn the power on right now. We turn the power back onto our device and now we're ready to start getting this set up on our Wi-Fi network. So we need to download the Sensi app and start getting it set up. This is the Sensi app, so download this and install it on your phone. Set up a username and password and log in. Enter your information and create the account. Click Agree to the terms and conditions. Now we need to click OK. Click Allow. And I'm just going to click Not Now. Now we're going to click in the upper left-hand corner to add our device. We've got different devices here, and we're setting up the TS55 Smart Thermostat, which is this right here. Now we're going to click New Installation. Our thermostat is already mounted, so we're going to click Is Currently Mounted. Turn off the power, we're going to click Next. It says gently pull the thermostat from the base plate to view your wiring. We're going to click Next. Here we just need to input the terminals we already used. RH, W, Y, G. Now we're going to click Next. We have a gas furnace, so I'm going to click Next. It says pull the battery tag and attached cover. In the latest generation and version, they no longer have a battery tag. They mean just to insert the batteries, so we're going to click Next. It says turn on the power. We already did that, so we're going to click Next. It says start Wi-Fi radio. Press menu, then mode to start the wireless radio. So we're going to click menu over here, and then we're going to click mode. And now that wireless radio is on, you can see it, and we're going to click next. It says display shows 00. Now we're going to click next. Now we're going to click allow. Tap your home button and open your settings and select your Wi-Fi network. So here we're going to select the Sensi Smart Thermostat network. I selected the Sensi network, which is right here. It shows that there's no internet connection, but that's okay. We're going to go back to the app now. Now that we're connected to our Sensi network, click Next. It says to connect to your Sensi, please enter the 8-digit PIN found on your security card. So on the back of the device, there is a PIN. You can find that if you don't have that security card. But the security card also comes in the box with the Sensi Smart Thermostat. So look on the back of one of the little manuals in there and it will have that PIN. So enter that now. Then click Next. Now it says select your Wi-Fi network. Click Next. Once you've got your passwords entered, click Done. Join network. Configuring thermostat, I'm going to click Not Now. Configuring thermostat. Name your thermostat. We're just going to name this one Sensi and click Next. Now we're just going to click Next. We can register our Sensi. Enter your address information and click Next. Here you can enter your contract information. We're just going to click Next. Registering your thermostat. Setup complete. Start using Sensi. Now our Sensi Smart Thermostat is set up, so let's try changing some of the temperatures here. You can click on the device itself and then I can change the temperature up or down. So right now it's 68 in our house and I just changed it to 71. Let's turn it up to 79. You can see it just changed. Now let's change it from heating to cooling. There we go, it went to cooling, and it's set to 85 for cooling, but our room temperature is 68. Let's try setting our fan. Turn the fan on. There we go, it went on. Now let's set it to fan auto. There we go, it went to auto. Schedule. We can go in here, and if we wanted to program a schedule, we could turn one on. Now let's just take a look at some of the other features here. We've got our humidity at 39%. You can track your usage, and then you have a wide variety of settings in here, as well as it gives you the current temperatures outside. So let's try adjusting this temperature one more time. Let's put it down at 58, and we're going to set it to heat. Okay, and now let's put this one back down to 58 as well. There we go. We can see that the temperatures changed on our Sensi Smart Thermostat. So thank you for watching this video on how to install a Sensi Smart Thermostat. If you like this video, please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click on any of the links below as well. We also have a book coming out and courses, so check our description below for those links as well as another way to support us. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.